Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart. I want to just talk about a class that we have coming up this week in Sarasota, Florida, and it's going to be on November 14th. And it's actually going to be a day-long class, but it's 3 different sessions during the day. So we're going to start from 9 to 10, and that's going to be online recruiting. And it's going to be online recruiting made easy. This is going to be a topic where it is very KW specific. I'm going to go in and show you how I have built my downline over the last 18 months to be plus 48. And I'm using and following the same process that Aaron Kaufman has been using for years and years. My design team has actually partnered with Aaron to make it a whole lot easier for the masses to go out and build their downline. So I'm going to show you exactly how that's going to work. There's also going to be some free items in there that anybody can use to help to bring on quality candidates to Keller Williams Realty. So that one's going to be exclusive to KW agents and staff. Then from 10 to 12:30, that's going to be video marketing for real estate. And it's actually video marketing for business. So if you've got people that are with another brokerage or they own their own business and they want to get better with video marketing, invite them to this class. This one is not KW exclusive. Anybody can join us from 10 to 12:30 and then stick around for the lunch as well. Then after lunch from 12:30, we're going to take a short break, probably about 15 minutes, going to get you some food, and then we're going to roll right back into the workshop, and that's going to be Command Your Lead Generation. I'm going to walk you through how to use Command from a very specific lead generation point of view. We're going to be talking my referrals. I've got a technique that I've learned from fellow agents with the referral system, and the gentleman who taught me, he had 45 transactions in his pipeline in less than 2 months, all from referrals. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Then we're also going to go in and talk a lot more about social media marketing and how we can combine that with Command to be very effective with your lead generation. We're going to wrap the day at 3:30. Best thing about the full day, it is going to be hands-on. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to apply what you're learning right there in the class to improve your business. Make sure to register with this link right here, which is michaeltreadhartrq.eventbrite.com, because there are limited seats available. And the whole day is going to cost you $59.99. So we'll see you guys very soon in Sarasota. Thanks.